Hello everybody, David Coolman here. I want to ask you to do me a favor today. Take a moment out of your busy day and look around this world. Look at the trees and the sky, the clouds, the grass. Look at the animals and the flowers. And I want you to think of how wonderful and how perfect everything has been made. And realize that is nothing more than God the Father, the creator of this world. The world in and of itself is the best witness of God in the most pure form that there is. And that being said, I want you to understand the fact that you woke up this morning, took that deep breath, got up out of your bed, got dressed, and headed off to work. Understand that that is yet another sign and another example of God the Father, His graciousness and mercy towards us. That we are allowed another day, another opportunity to accept Him, to accept His Son, the Messiah, Yahushua, Jesus Christ, that we can find ourselves in a place of salvation. It is in the blood of the cross, of Christ, of the Messiah, that fell to the ground and defeated sin and death on our behalf. I want you to understand, I want you to take hold of that. The Messiah is knocking on the door of your heart. He's knocking on the door and just waiting for you to open that door and accept Him in. The Bible says that He will come in and He will sup with us. He will dine with us. He will live with us. He will indwell us with His Spirit. I just want to take that time to get the word of the gospel out, to share that good news with as many as possible. If we're not friends on Facebook, I want to ask that you click the friend request button. I would love to be your friend. I would also like to ask that you like this post and share it with as many as you possibly can. Let's get the word out. I want you to help me in this endeavor. Let Him in. Tell the world of His grace. Tell the world of His mercy. That He paid in full a debt for us that we could never pay to God the Father. With His blood shed on Calvary's cross so that you and I can be saved. He is a miraculous and wonderful and gracious and loving God. God love you. God bless you. Have a great and glorious day.